everyone, my name is Desiree and
I'm Jannel Guerra.
So for today's video, we are going to talk about your detergent na naging katuwang ng mga nanay mapamano-mano man o mapa-washing machine mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Do you know anything about your detergent?
Let's watch it! We will review this product by its physical appearance, active ingredients, guidelines and precautions, and also the efficacy rate of this cleaning detergent.
This detergent is Ariel with Downy Floral Passion and Breeze with Rose Gold Perfume.
Physical appearance. This two detergent has for physical appearance the texture, odor, color, and the packaging.
Let's start with Ariel with Downy Floral.
So, as you can see, it has both soft texture. And the odor, I'm sure it smells good because of pleasantly fresh scent by Downy Floral Fashion.
And the odor of the Breeze detergent is a fresh rose gold perfume.
So this color, it has a color white with red and blue.
And this product too is the same as in the product 1. It has a color white and red and blue.
Last, its packaging. The Ariel, it has a thin packaging, so it's easy to tear or easy to open.
And this Breeze, it has a strong packaging, not easy to whip, but easy to open, like this. Let's proceed with active ingredients.
First, both Ariel and Breeze have a linear alkyl benzene sulfonate, excellent surfactants power which has made them suitable for detergents, emulsifier, and dispersing, wetting, and foaming agents. Ingredients na to, ginagamit siya sa detergent. Like this nga, parte siya ng sabon na ito dahil ito ang nagbibigay ng excellent surfactants power, foaming agents. Itong surfactants naman ang pangtanggal ng dumi sa damit. Then yung foaming agents na nakapagpapabula para kumapit yung panlinis ng damit sa nilabhan.
The next,
carboxymethylcellulose. A polymer that comes from natural cellulose helps stop stain from returning to the garment they've been removed from. Pinipigilan nito na bumalik pa yung mansya sa mismong damit na mayroong stain.
and the active ingredients of Breeze is benzyl chromium chloride. It's an antibacterial ingredient used in the wide range of products including household cleaners, personal care products, and soap. Ang benzyl chromium chloride daw ay ginagamit para mapabilis o makatulong sa paglinis ng damit.
And last, both Breeze and Ariel have perfume and dyes active ingredients. They counteract any malodor inherent in soil itself and leaves a pleasant scent after cleaning. Pinapabango nito yung mga damit na iyong nilabhan. And now, let's try to use these two products. Let's go!
Let's proceed to the guidelines.
First, open one sachet of Ariel detergent and Breeze detergent. Next, put into basin with water and put one sachet of powder detergent. Third, put the dirty clothes into basin with water. Fourth, kusutin yung mga damit, especially those with stain. Then, precautions of Ariel. Keep out of reach of children. Do not ingest. If product is ingested, seek medical advice. Keep away from ice. If product gets into ice, rinse thoroughly with water.
Precaution of Breeze. Keep out of reach of children, food, and pets. Wash after washing clothes. For external use only, harpoon is swallowed.
And last, the efficacy rate of this Ariel. So this detergent is 10-time cleaning enzymes, effectively remove stain on the clothes and long-lasting freshness inspired by Downy Floral Fashion. Ariel gives your clothes a stain-free clean no matter what they've gone through. It removes top stain in one wash, providing your clothes with a spotless look.
Efficacy rate of Breeze. 10 times more effective, easily remove stain, fresh fragments, keep color bright, no hairs on hands.
Kung nais mo ng malinis, tanggal man siya at mabango dahil hinaluan na din ito ng kaaya-ayang amoy na para sa iyong damit, Ariel detergent with downy floral fashion.
And Breeze Grows Gold Perfume.
So this is the end of our video.
Thank you for watching.